there is a silent language beneath everything you feel, every thought you think, and every shift in your life path. And the crystals you choose are not random. They are responding to your frequency. But how do you know which one is truly meant for you? Today, you will learn the raw truth, the deep science, and the intuitive intelligence behind choosing the right crystal for your unique energy. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to take you deep into the world of crystal energy matching. Not the typical top 10 lists. Not generic suggestions. You will learn how your personal energy field interacts with crystal frequencies, what mistakes beginners make, how to read your own aura, how to sense a crystal calling you, why some crystals feel cold, heavy, or warm in your hand, and how to test if a crystal is aligned with your current life phase. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to choose the right crystal for yourself, every single time. Understanding the energy behind crystals. Before choosing any crystal, you must understand what crystals actually are. Crystals are not just beautiful stones. They are stable geometric structures that hold consistent energetic patterns. Unlike humans, whose energy changes every day, crystals vibrate at a precise frequency. That consistency is what allows them to interact with our aura. Every crystal type has its own resonance, and that resonance communicates with your emotional, mental, and spiritual body. When a crystal aligns with you, your energy field becomes more coherent. When it does not align, you feel resistance, heaviness, or nothing at all. Why choosing the right crystal matters. A crystal is not a decoration. It is an energetic tool. The right one amplifies your strengths, heals your wounds, supports your manifestations, and stabilizes your emotions. The wrong one can overstimulate you, drain you, or simply do nothing. If you want transformation, clarity, grounding, wealth, love, protection, or spiritual awakening, choosing the right crystal is the first step. Your energy deserves precision, not randomness. Step 1. Know your current energy state. You cannot choose a crystal without knowing your own energy first. Your current energy state determines what crystal will work with you. Begin by observing yourself. Ask, are you feeling anxious, exhausted, angry, or confused? Or are you feeling inspired, ready to grow, or open for expansion? Crystals respond to your present vibration, not your imagined future. If you choose a crystal only because it looks beautiful, it may not support your real energetic needs. Always start with self-awareness. Your energy tells the truth long before your mind does. Step 2. Understand your emotional frequency. Your emotions generate specific frequencies. For example, fear sits in a low, dense range. Confidence vibrates higher. Love vibrates higher still. Each crystal is naturally tuned to certain emotional frequencies. For example, rose quartz interacts with emotional softness, unconditional love, and heart healing. Black tourmaline interacts with protection and grounding. Amethyst interacts with clarity and spiritual insight. When you match your emotional frequency to the correct crystal frequency, you create resonance. Resonance creates results. Step 3. Learn the categories of crystals. Crystals fall into broad, energetic categories. Once you know these categories, choosing becomes effortless. Grounding crystals bring you back to your body and stabilize your mind. Protection crystals shield your aura from negativity. Healing crystals repair emotional and energetic wounds. Amplifying crystals boost intentions and manifestations. Intuition crystals activate your higher awareness. Prosperity crystals expand abundance and opportunities. Communication crystals strengthen expression and confidence. Calming crystals settle anxiety and overthinking. Transformation crystals support personal growth and rebirth. Knowing these categories helps you understand what your energy needs most at this moment. Step 4. Feel the physical sensation. One of the most accurate ways to choose the right crystal is through physical sensation. Hold the crystal in your palm. Breathe naturally. Notice what your body does. Does your hand feel warm? That means resonance. Does it feel cold or disconnected? That means the crystal is not in harmony with your current vibration. Do you feel tingles, pulsing, or subtle energy movement? That means alignment. Physical sensation does not lie. Step 5. Listen for the intuitive pull. There is always one crystal you keep looking at, or you feel like touching it again and again, or even if you walk away, you still think about that one piece. This is energetic communication. Crystals communicate through attraction. If your intuition keeps pulling you toward a crystal, it is because your subconscious already feels its frequency. Intuition is one of the most reliable guides when choosing the right crystal. Step 6. Understand color frequencies. Every color has an energetic language. Red crystals energize. Orange crystals boost creativity. Yellow crystals enhance confidence. Green crystals heal the heart. Pink crystals bring love. Blue crystals support communication. Purple crystals open intuition. Black crystals protect and ground. White crystals purify and elevate your energy. When you understand color frequencies, even without knowing crystal names, you can instantly identify what you need. Step 7. Understand crystal shapes. Crystal shapes also influence energy. Raw stones give raw, natural power. Tumbled stones are gentle and stable. Points direct energy upward or downward. Spheres radiate energy in all directions. Towers focus energy like a beam. Clusters amplify your environment. Wands channel energy for healing. Jewelry keeps the crystal in constant contact with your body. The shape you choose affects how the energy interacts with you. Step 8. Choosing based on your life phase. Your energy needs change as your life changes. If you are in a healing phase, you need soothing and stabilizing stones. If you are in a growth phase, you need activating and expanding stones. If you are in a protection phase, you need shielding stones. If you are in a manifestation phase, you need amplifying stones. Choosing crystals according to your life path brings results far faster than choosing randomly. Step 9. Testing crystal compatibility. You can test compatibility by placing the crystal near your heart or forehead and closing your eyes. Notice what your body does. If you feel calm, connected, or focused, the crystal is aligned. If you feel uneasy, restless, or distracted, it is not. Another method is the pendulum test. Hold a pendulum above the crystal. If it moves smoothly, there is harmony. If it stops or acts chaotic, the frequency mismatch is clear. Step 10. Trust your first reaction. Human intuition is faster than logic. When you first see a crystal, your subconscious already knows whether it matches your energy. Your initial reaction is your purest energetic response. Do not overthink. Trust your first instinct. Crystals for specific emotional states. Here is how you choose based on your emotional state. Emotional state. Recommended crystals. Anxious. Amethyst, lepidolite or blue lace agate. Lost. Labradorite or clear quartz. Stressed. Sodalite or aquamarine. Angry. Rose quartz or green aventurine. Afraid. Black tourmaline or smoky quartz. Emotionally weak. Rhodonite or malachite. Unmotivated. Carnelian or citrine. Disconnected. Selenite or clear quartz. Crystals for specific life goals. Life goal. Recommended crystals. Protection. Black tourmaline or obsidian. Love. Rose quartz or kunzite. Wealth. Citrine, pyrite, or green aventurine. Healing. Amethyst or fluorite. Clarity. Clear quartz or lapis lazuli. Intuition. Labradorite or moonstone. Manifestation power. Clear quartz or pyrite. Crystals and chakras. The chakra system helps simplify crystal selection. Match crystal color to the chakra. Root chakra needs red or black stones for grounding. Sacral chakra needs orange stones for creativity. Solar plexus chakra needs yellow stones for confidence. Heart chakra needs green or pink stones for emotional balance. Throat chakra needs blue stones for communication. Third eye chakra needs indigo stones for intuition. Crown chakra needs white or violet stones for spiritual awakening. Why some crystals do not work for you? Sometimes a crystal does not resonate no matter how famous or powerful people say it is. That is because your current vibration does not match its frequency. It may work for you later, or it may never be your stone. Not every crystal is meant for every person. Respect your energetic individuality. How to know a crystal is calling you. If you think about a crystal repeatedly, dream about it, feel emotionally pulled toward one type, or feel a sudden desire to learn about it, that is the crystal calling you. Your energy field is reaching out to the exact frequency it currently needs. How to choose crystals for rituals or healing. For rituals or deep healing, choose crystals based on these criteria. First, your intention. Second, the crystal's natural frequency. Third, the shape that supports your ritual. Fourth, the placement of the crystal on the body or in the space. During healing sessions, crystals align more deeply when chosen intuitively rather than logically. How to know when to change your crystal. Crystals serve you for a phase of your growth. Once that phase ends, you may feel the crystal becoming inactive, silent, or energetically dull. That is a sign to change to a new crystal that matches your next evolution. Listening to your body while choosing. Your body is the most accurate energy detector. When holding a crystal, notice your breath, heartbeat, shoulders, and chest. If your body relaxes, the crystal matches your energy. If your body tightens, it does not. Always let your body lead, not your mind. The science behind crystal energy. Crystals have a stable lattice structure. This structure allows them to vibrate consistently at a fixed frequency. Our energy field is more fluid and easily disturbed. When you bring a stable vibration into an unstable system, the unstable system begins to harmonize. This is known as entrainment. This is the scientific foundation behind crystal healing and energy resonance. Mistakes beginners make while choosing crystals. The most common mistakes include choosing crystals only by appearance, buying crystals only because they are trending, collecting too many stones without understanding their energy, expecting results instantly, ignoring physical sensations, forcing certain crystals to work, not understanding their own energy needs. Avoiding these mistakes leads to authentic results. Choosing crystals based on your aura color. Your aura color reveals your emotional and energetic frequency. If your aura is red, you need calming crystals. If your aura is yellow, you need grounding crystals. If your aura is green, you need heart-balancing crystals. If your aura is blue, you need clarity and communication crystals. If your aura is violet, you need grounding and stabilizing crystals. Your aura shifts based on emotions, so match crystals accordingly. Using crystals to balance yin and yang energy. If your energy is too active, choose calming crystals. If your energy is too passive, choose energizing crystals. If your energy feels scattered, choose grounding crystals. If your energy feels heavy, choose uplifting crystals. Balance is the key. How to know you have chosen the right crystal. You will feel peace, clarity, alignment, or emotional release. Your mind becomes quiet. Your energy feels lighter. Your intuition grows sharper. Your intention becomes focused. These are signs the crystal is working with you. Final guidance for choosing the right crystal. Do not rush. Do not overthink. Do not compare your crystal journey with others. Your energy is unique. The crystal meant for you will always find you through intuition, sensation, or emotional resonance. Trust your energy. Trust the process. If this deep dive helped you understand how to choose the right crystal for your energy, make sure you listen till the end in every video, like the content, subscribe to the channel, and share your perspective and thoughts in the comments. If you have questions, drop them below. Who knows, your comment might inspire the next video topic.